Ever looked at a company and wondered, just how big are they really? Like, really big? Not the kind of big where they say they're big, but the kind of big where the numbers do the talking. Today, we're diving into Spiff. You know, Spiff. That company that seems to be everywhere, promising to revolutionize sales commissions. But here's the burning question: how many customers do they actually have? Let's get real for a second. When a company starts throwing around terms like rapid growth and market leader, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But numbers don't lie. And when it comes to Spiff, the numbers game is particularly intriguing. So, what's the deal? Are we talking hundreds? Thousands? Or maybe even tens of thousands of customers? The official numbers can be a bit elusive. Spiff, like many tech startups, is pretty tight-lipped about specific customer counts. They'll drop hints about growth rates, big-name clients, and industry dominance, but hard, concrete numbers? Not so much. But hey, that's where the fun begins, right? Because if there's one thing the internet loves, it's a good old-fashioned mystery. And trust me, the number of Spiff customers is shaping up to be one heck of a mystery. We'll start by breaking down what we do know. We know Spiff is in the sales commission automation game. We know they've raised a decent chunk of change from some pretty serious investors. And we know they've got some big-name clients on their roster. But how does that translate to actual customer numbers? We'll dive deep into Spiff's website, their social media, and even their competitors to try and piece together a clearer picture. We'll look at press releases, customer testimonials, and industry reports. And we won't shy away from a little speculation based on the information we can gather. Because let's face it, even an educated guess is better than nothing when you're trying to crack this code. So, grab your thinking cap, get ready to do some number crunching, and let's find out just how many customers Spiff really has. This is going to be fun. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.